Hello, learners or investigators. Today we will put all our knowledge together to read Sarita and the Big Baby Bird. We will think about all we've learned about breaking apart words and their sounds and putting them back together. We will think about all we've learned about red words or words we need to know in a snap. Today we will do a shared reading. When it is my turn, you will listen and watch closely, just like great investigators do. You will pay attention to my reading strategies. When it is your turn, you and your partner will try, using your inside voice or your whisper voice. Are you ready to read Sarita and the Big Baby Bird? My turn. C's. A. Your turn. Great job. Look out for these words when we read our book. Let's review our need to know words, or words we might not be able to tap out yet. Egg. Your turn. Do you see the egg on the front cover? Reading is thinking. Today we will read to think about a big question. Why do Sarita and the baby bird become friends? Now it's time for shared reading. My turn. Sarita and the Big Baby Bird. Written by Linda Ray Liss. Illustrations by George Carrara. Sarita and the Big Baby Bird. Characters. Sarita, elephant bird. My turn. Sarita sees a big egg. Sarita sees a big egg. Your turn. My turn. Tap, 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 pop, pop, tap, tap, pop. Your turn. My turn. Ip, pip, ip, pip, 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 pip. Your turn. My turn. Yum, 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 yum. Your turn. My turn. Op, hop, op, hop, 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 hop. Your turn. My turn. Run for fun. Run for fun. Your turn. My turn. Nap, 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 nap. Your turn. Readers, why did Sarita and the Big Baby Bird become friends?